Hello guys, again you are welcome to my channel Literature Classes. This is Abhilasha Yadav. Guys, today I shall discuss pronouns. I have made a video related to pronoun, but this video is about personal pronouns. So guys, what is personal pronouns and how many types of pronouns and how can we use these pronouns in our sentences? So all these things we shall discuss in the detail of the video. So the video will be very interesting to you. So let's move right into the topic. So guys, what is personal pronoun? I told you there are several types of pronouns. There are 11 types of pronouns. And the very first pronoun is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? The pronouns which is used in three person is called personal pronouns. Three persons is used in a pronoun that is called personal pronoun. Three persons, what are three persons? First person, second person and third person. These are three persons that is used in personal pronouns. So what is this first pronoun? There are two pronouns come in first pronoun, that is I and we. I is the singular number and we is the plural number. We is the plural of I. I is here singular and we is here plural. So second person. What is second person pronoun? Second person pronoun is you. You is the second person pronoun. And the plural of you is also you. Next, third person pronoun. He, she, it. These are third person pronoun and the plural of these is they. They is the plural of he, she, it. These are third person pronoun. Guys, what is first person pronoun? The first person pronoun you can say speaker. The first person pronoun is also called as speaker. The second person pronoun is called spoken to. Spoken to. And the third person pronoun is called as spoken of. Okay, so what is this speaker, what is this spoken to, and what is this spoken of? We shall learn this by example. So see the examples. See guys, I is the personal pronoun. How can it is used? We can say I am a good girl. So I is here as used as the speaker. How it is used? It is used as speaker. So I is here in the sentence is a speaker. No any other pronoun is used in this sentence. So I is here working as speaker. We can also say if the plural number of a sentence plural number is used, can be used as we. We are good people. According to the plural number, we have added a word good people. Okay? We is the plural of I. So I am a good girl. I is a speaker here and we is also working as the speaker. So these are also called as the subjective pronoun. These are also called as the subjective pronoun. Why? Because these pronouns are working as the subject of the sentence, subject of the verb. Okay. Next, second person pronoun. How can we use it? We can say you are, You are a principal. Okay, so you are a principal. You, we are using the plural verb here. Are is a singular verb and are is the plural verb. Why we are using plural verb here with you? Because you is the second person pronoun and it is the plural number. Singular is also you and plural is also you. So you is considered as plural. That's why we are using the pronoun, the verb are. Okay. Next, we can say he is going to market. He is going to market. So he is the third person pronoun and is a singular verb. Why we are using singular verb? Because he is the singular pronoun. This is not the plural pronoun. They is here a plural pronoun and he is the singular pronoun. So that's why we are using is, the verb is. Okay, so these I think the person are clear to you. Next, guys, you must have heard about cases. What is cases? They are used in the pronouns nominative case, objective case and possessive case. These are cases is used for pronouns. Nominative case is also called as subjective case. Objective case is also called as accusative case. Accusative case, and this possessive case is called as genitive case. Guys, what is nominative or subjective case? Subjective case, or you can say nominative case, the pronoun of the subjective pronoun, or you can say nominative pronoun, is used as the speaker of the sentence, or you can say subject of the sentence, subject of the verb. And objective case pronoun are used as the object of the sentence, object of a verb. And the possessive case pronoun are used as the possession of anything, possession of any subject, possession of any person. Like, I am a good girl, I am a good boy, I am a human being, whatever you can say. This is not we, this is you. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are all nominative case pronoun. These are subjective pronoun. I and we are first person pronoun. You is the second person pronoun and he, she, it, they are the third person pronoun. You know very well. I told you earlier. So the pronoun, the objective case of I is me, we, us, you, same, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. These are objective, these are the pronouns of objective case. And the possessive case is my, mine, we, so our or ours. You here, yours and yours, your and yours. Possessive case में your and yours, he, his, the same. Here we use the same pronoun. She, her and hers, its, theirs, their and theirs. How can we use? I shall tell you with the examples, and I shall also tell you the rules how these pronouns are used. Okay, we can say I am a good boy, I am a good boy, I am a good girl. You are a good boy. He is a good boy, she is a good girl. It is used as for the non-living things. So it is a table, it is a chair. they are living in this house. In this way we can use, because these pronouns are used as the speaker, or you can say these are the subjective pronouns, so they are used as the subject of the sentence. These are objective case pronouns. Me is here used as the object of the sentence, object of a verb. How? Like we can say, you hate me, he like me, he love me. So this is when we say he like me. So this word me is used as the object of the sentence, object of the verb. This is the verb of the sentence. So me is here working as the object of the sentence. In this way, these all objective case pronouns is used as the object of the pronouns. This book is mine, and this is my book. This is my book, and this book is mine. What is the difference between these two sentences? First is my and second is mine. Mine is used as a possessive of the sentence, and this my is used as the possessive adjective. My is used as a possessive adjective. Why? Because noun is also added with this possessive adjective. This possessive pronoun is used as the possessive adjective in the sentence. Why? Because noun is also added with this pronoun. Okay, so this is my book and this book is mine. The meaning is same, but the sentence is different. Okay, our or ours, you can say our and ours. So our, we can say our college is opened. We can say the college is ours. College is ours. This is your friend. This friend is yours. This friend is yours, and this is your friend. This is his book. This is his book. She is her friend. She is her friend, and this friend is hers. See the difference between these two pronouns. Okay, there. Do you like it? Do you like it? It's me who can do this. It's I who can do this. It's I, not it's me. It's I who can do this. This work, we can say these books are theirs. These books are theirs. These are their books. See the difference between the two sentences I told you, and in this way we can use these possessive pronouns. Let's move to the uses, how we can use the nominative case pronouns and objective case pronouns, and also about possessive case pronouns. See, the nominative case pronouns are also called subjunctive pronoun. They are used as the subject of the sentence. They are used as the subject of the verb in the sentence. As a subject of a verb means they are used as the subject of a verb in the sentence. How? See the example. We can say he went to Lucknow last month. He went to Lucknow last month. So he is the subject of the verb went. Went is a verb here, and he is the subject of this verb. He is the speaker of this sentence. Okay. Next, we can also say they are going to the hospital. Here also they is working as the subject of the verb are and going. Are is here auxiliary verb and the main verb is going. So they is working as the subject of this verb. Understand this? So in this way we can use the pronoun of nominative case. See, nominative case pronouns can be used as two or more than two by adding conjunctions. Means we can use two pronouns or more than two pronouns in a sentence by adding conjunctions. What conjunctions? And. How can we use? We can say he, you, and I are good friends. He, you, and I are good friends. We can say you and he are eating food. You and he are eating food. So these he, you, and I. These are personal pronouns. These are the pronouns of nominative case and they are used as the subject of the sentence, subject of the verb, and we have also used conjunction, that is and they are more than two, means they are three pronouns used in one sentence. You and he are eating food. These are two pronouns used in the sentence as the subject of the verb. In this way we can use this. It is also used as a noun and a pronoun. A noun and a pronoun, how? So we can use a noun and a pronoun by adding a conjunction together in a sentence as the subject of a verb. How? We can say Ram and I are going to temple. Are going to temple. Sita and you are looking good. Okay, so these pronouns. This I is the pronoun, this Ram is noun. Sita is here noun and you is the pronoun. And these are used together. Noun and pronoun are used together by adding a conjunction and they are working as a subject of the verb. Okay. So in this way we can make the sentence of noun and pronoun together. Next, if to be is used as the infinitive and subject is not cleared, so the pronoun of nominative case is used. How we can use to be? To be is the infinitive. To be is used as the infinitive in the sentence and subject is not cleared in the sentence. So we can use nominative case pronoun. How can we use? See the example and learn this. I would not want to be he. Okay, we can say I would not want to be you. Here he is used as the object of the sentence, but it is used as subject also. To be is used as infinitive and subject is not cleared in the sentence. when the subject is not clear, and to be is used as the infinitive. So here to be is used as the infinitive, and he is the nominative case pronoun. He is the pronoun of nominative case, and it is used as the subject of the sentence. I would not want to be he. I would not want to be you. Next, the pronouns of objective case. What is the pronouns of objective case? When a pronoun which is used as the object of a verb, it is called as the objective case pronoun. So, for example, my father told me about you. Told me about you. So, me is here working as the object of the verb. She cooked food. She cooked food for me. This me is working as the object of the sentence, object of a verb, cooked. Okay. Next, the two pronouns of objective case can be used together by adding conjunctions. The same rule of nominative case is also applied here, means in the same way. Like in the nominative case, we can use two or more than two pronouns in a sentence by adding conjunctions. In this objective case pronoun, we can use two or more than two objective case pronoun by adding conjunctions in the sentence. How? See the example. Like, my mother forbade me to play. My mother forbade you and me to play hockey. Okay. Here, two, you and me. These are two pronouns objective case. You remains same in the objective case or in the possessive case. Okay, in the objective case or in the nominative case, you remain same. So, my mother forbade you and me to play hockey. Okay. We can also use a noun and an objective case pronoun in a sentence together by adding conjunctions. Like, her sister invited Shyam and me for dinner. Okay, her sister invited Shyam and me for dinner. So Shyam is noun here and me is pronoun here. Okay, and these noun and pronouns are used together in a sentence by adding a conjunction. In this way, you can also use in the sentence noun and pronoun together. Next, possessive case pronoun. Guys, you know very well that pronouns of possessive case. There are two types of possessive case pronouns. First is possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used before nouns like his, my. Okay, so these are possessive adjectives and they are used with noun. They are used before noun. This is my book. So book, this is my book. My is working as possessive adjectives in the sentence. If we say this book is mine, So this mine is the possessive pronoun and this my is possessive adjective. This is his class. Okay, we can't say this class is his because his always work as a possessive adjective. Okay, remember this thing, that his is a pronoun, his and its are possessive adjectives, are used as possessive adjectives, not as possessive pronouns. See, these pronouns are not used before nouns. Possessive case pronouns are not used before nouns. Meaning is that possessive adjectives are used before nouns, but possessive pronouns are used separately, not before any noun. Like this book is mine. Okay, for example, your bike is new. So here your comes with a noun. So this your is working as the possessive adjective. If we say new bike is yours, so here yours is working as the possessive pronouns. Okay, this is possessive pronoun and this is possessive adjective. So I think you would have understood the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. This is possessive adjective and this is possessive pronoun. Okay, next, used as the subject of a verb of the sentence. This possessive case pronoun as the subject of a verb of the sentence. How? For example, he has lost my notebook as well as yours. See, yours is working here as the subject of a verb. He has lost my notebooks. My is working here as a possessive adjective, but yours is working as the possessive pronoun and also the subject of the verb. What is verb? Lost is a verb. Okay, in this way you can also use the sentence, the possessive pronoun as the subject of the verb. Next, possessive pronouns are used as an object of the verb in the sentence. Object of the verb, object of preposition. Like, I prefer your company to hers. To. This to is preposition. This to is here working as the preposition. This to is the preposition of the sentence. So, I prefer your company to hers. This hers, this word hers is the object of the sentence, object of the preposition. Okay, your problem is different from mine. Your problem is different from mine. So this mine and this hers, these are possessive pronouns. They are not objective case pronoun. They are possessive case pronoun, but they can be used as the possessive objective of objects of the possessive case pronoun, object of the preposition. because from is also a preposition, to is also a preposition, and these prepositions are used in the sentence, and the pronoun mine and the pronoun hers, they are pronouns of possessive case, but here they are working as the object of the preposition, means they are working as the objective pronouns. They are working as the objective pronouns. Okay. So guys, these are all uses of personal pronouns. I told you all the things related to personal pronouns. If anything would be left, I shall make the separate video related to those remaining things. That's it for today. I shall meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.